Hey, it's good. It's good, man. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the stream. We're here. We're here. New week, new new trades. Yeah. Um, not sure what I'm gonna be trading here today. Maybe just trade the 50K. Um, okay. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do my markups, and then we're gonna go through some information here. Once again, guys, good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you're tuning in from. Let me just put on some tunes here for us. Yeah. All right. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Some lights. I'm getting some lights soon, so at least my stream lighting would be a bit better. Update the shit. Okay, guys. So this is what we got here. Um, NQ. We're keeping it rather simple here today. We have 30-minute highs here, 30-minute lows, like really basic stuff today. 15K, 15 is higher here. We're gonna leave this like this. Yeah, I think this is the closure here we're looking for here. Yeah, this could work. This could work. Let's look at the 5 minutes here. So I'll say, let's see this the distance here. Okay, so we have 30 points here, so that's at least 1 hour. So I think on the break of this wick down there, I'm not eager to take any trades right now. Yo yo, what's up, Luke? There, man, just there. Yeah, we could take some. See, this is a 30-minute high here. This is the current 30-minute high. So this would be okay, but I'm looking at this level here. So for sales, again, we also have this level down here. So yeah, and then we have a free fall here. Holy shit, yeah. So for sales, we're looking at, what time is it? 10 minutes left. We're looking at break of 13, 25,013, yeah. All right. We're looking at a break of this low here, possibly for sales, or a break of this low here, which is 966, right? Stops 25 points. And yeah, that's it for sales. For buys, you could take buys on the break of this high here, but I don't really like it. This is a more key structure here, it seems like to me, right? And we also have a better, above we have 30 points as well, right? So top zone is a better zone. All right. So yeah, this is our levels here. These are our levels here for NQ. Let's have a look at Nasdaq. YM, sorry. Let's have a look at YM here. Okay, YM right off the bat, right? YM looks really good. So we have 30 minutes here. We're gonna most likely using these highs. We have a 30-minute low here. We also have one right here, but inside here is messy. This here is messy. So if we could close outside here, that would be awesome. Right, we close beneath this support here already, so we're continuing down. So close beneath support, counter trend trade, you know, that's it. Right, because we clearly in our uptrend. Let's look at the 15. Yeah, I think the break of this, yeah, if we get a closure down there, that would be awesome. YM is really messy right now. I think we're gonna need a big wick up in order to take sales from current candle. I think we're gonna need a big wick up. So closure here would be a closure underneath this 30-minute low here. Right? So what we can anticipate here is closure under here, wick up, and then break the low. And then we can continue down. We can continue down for like wow, how much is this? Yeah, this range here is 30. I doubt it's gonna close right here. It may continue moving down, but I think this is where we're gonna look at a entry from wow, 50,000. Wow, that's a key level here. This may be tricky. This may be tricky. Taking an entry from a key level like that. Yeah, heavy psychological number there. Damn. Yeah, I don't like this at all. Um, all right, yeah. I ain't see nothing else unless this candle flip, right? If this 15-minute candle flips, then okay. But we take buys possibly. Or we're looking for buys up here, of course, right? Yeah. Yeah, this is the equivalent to the one on the this one here is equivalent to the one on NQ. I don't really like that's already 2 hour here. I'll see. This could be a possible entry here for buys. Prefer this one more than the one on NQ. Alright, so 1 to 2 would be right here. And then possibly you break this level, continue take a next trade, right? So I have some evals to pass, so I may take a couple trades here after I'm done streaming. Alright. Yeah guys, this is what we're looking at here. I don't really see nothing else pressing for us to take any trades from. So I would just like to show this here real quick. Hold on. Okay, so these here are my payouts, the payouts I've gotten. Alright, payouts I've gotten so far since trading this. I started trading this in October, right? October I started this account. Let me see if I could show this shit here. Yeah, it's gonna show too much of my personal information. But one sec. Let me see if I could get it here. Okay, so look at it here, right? So October 10th is when I really started trading futures and stuff like that. It was around that time. Around that time, I started with my funded futures, but then I didn't like it, so then I came to Top Step immediately. But it was around that time I started trading, and yeah, that's the results, the payouts I've gotten so far. These are the payouts I've gotten so far. So yeah, yeah. So I just request the next one here. So hopefully we get this by next week. Later on this week, I think next week I'm gonna get it by. Hopefully. But yeah, that's it there. Just wanted to show you guys that, some some proof that, you know, like the shit I'm doing here is really, it's legit shit. Yeah. All right. So back to, let me just set up these accounts one time before we start here. Accounts. All right. So I'm only able to trade. Okay. So I'm gonna focus on this account here. Gonna be YM 20. Nah, I'm just gonna leave. Whatever I make here is gonna be my buffer. I'm not gonna bother. So I'm gonna have a minimum buffer on this account would be like maybe $1,000. But it's okay. I risk in 250 a trade anyways. And then I'll have to make, remember you have to be more than the last time. So it's gonna be easier to just not build it up too much. Yeah, I think it's gonna be easier with that thing they implemented there. So yeah, yep. Yep, it's the same level, similar level I have for NQ. Is the that swing there is just that, because even this one here, this is one I have for NQ, like 160 for, like, on YM is equivalent to the way I have on NQ right now. It's just that that range is a nice range for NQ. I think it's a nice range for YM as well. Yes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This could be a level here as well for a good entry. Um, but for sales on YM here, like, it'll have to wick up, for me to possibly take. Actually, man, you just have to close below this zone here. Actually, this 15 minute, because if it closes below here, then we have, yeah, I can move stops to break even by then, or just secure 1 to 1, whichever it is. We got, wow, market about to open, guys. Let's lock it in here. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah, yeah. Let's be patient here today. Let's be very patient here today. KNQ. Okay. I think I may end on NQ cells here. I'm in on NQ cells. I'm in on NQ cells here. Stops to break even. I'm at, ooh. Okay. I'm gonna close 1 hour. Yeah, I'm gonna close 1 hour here on NQ. I have a next thing running here on NQ. I have an next position running here. Let's see. I'm gonna close on NQ. I'm eval. Okay. Yeah, close on NQ here. Second entry on NQ. Next account here. Let's see. Let's see here. YM. Okay. YM break that first level I had there. Ooh. Okay. So I lost here on this account.
I had a break here. I entered way too little NQ.
Mm,
Only
yeah.
300 NQ.
Nice, nice. Yeah, I took the 1 hour because of the zone here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I took the 1 hour. I took the 1 hour. So I'll be able to request from this account today, a little later on. Um, but I'm still looking at why I'm here.
Wham's acting up.
Mm-hmm. I'm still looking at why I'm here. This zone here. Nope. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. First 5 minute closure is important. Okay, there's the lows. Yeah, why am I like have to be 50,000? My entry will be down here. Mm, let's see this first 5 minute closure. Yeah, I mean, NQ did hit 1 to 2, being fair. It hit 1 to 2. Try to get that second entry down there, but that second entry down there would have been really nice. All right, so if NQ flips here, we're looking at an early entry, possibly. Possibly an early entry here. If it flips, let's see how this first 5 minute closes. Um, man, gold actually moved really quick there too. Gold actually moved really quick there. YM.
It's 45 minutes to close.
Yeah, wait for the 5 minute to close. Wait for the 5 minute to close, guys.
Yes, someone's push.
Yeah, I never looked at ES for this strategy, so forgive me. I never been a fan of ES. ES doesn't, to me, ES doesn't move like, you don't get the most out of ES, in my opinion. Which chart can I look at here on okay, NQ. I may end on the breakout these highs here. Let's see how it closes. Mm, 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 mm. Well, today was a winning day. At least I could request a payout on one account. I just need 1 to 2 on this account, this account here, and I'll be able to request a payout. Okay, this is a terrible closure here. Holy shit. Yeah, that's a terrible closure, man. Oh, we still have the levels here on YM. YM haven't really moved yet, so I may just take the break of these highs here. Very interesting here. Very interesting. Break out those lows. Yeah, this is sketchy. This is a little sketchy here. Gonna have to use four on Lime there. Lime wanna break those lows. I think we need a closure here, bro. I think we need a closure here.
Yeah,
Um,
I'm in on the flip.
yeah, yo, he was in. Ooh,
Yeah,
that's a nice one, bro. That's a nice one. I think you'll get through that
it's a
one.
risky move. It's a risky move.
Yeah,
I'm almost at 1 hour, but I'm at break even. So
I mean, wait for the
I just
breakup
need to.
that low. Once it break that low, you know what happening, right? So you,
Yeah, it's stopped out. Yeah.
ooh, you stopped out.
Yeah, break even.
On YM, on NQ, NQ,
Thank you.
NQ. Oh, okay, okay, okay. That was YM. Yeah, NQ is very risky. NQ is very risky with that flip. Need to break those highs. All right, there we
Okay,
go.
now you wanna break the highs?
There we go. There we go, man. There we go. I think I'll wait for this break of this high up here. And on NQ on the break of those highs there. I'll be in on NQ at the break of at 94. I'll be in on NQ at 94. This is looking really good on the 15 minute as well. Yeah, we should get a nice move here. If I get a 1 to 2, that would be awesome. That would be awesome here. Um, I could request payout on two accounts today. Actually, gonna take this on the eval as well. My stops is going to be 68, 75, 68, 75. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I mean, it could stay right there and just close. It would make me feel a lot better if it closes right there. It would make me feel a lot better if it closed right there. Mm, mm, mm. Ooh, wow. Crazy rejection there, huh? Using proper zones, guys. Using proper zones. That's what it is. Yo, Hyper Source, what's up, man? Sorry about the late reply there. I didn't see that the message coming.
Stop filled.
Okay.
Uh oh.
Okay.
Some serious money coming in here.
Okay, yeah, let's hope so.
That's low. There's no volume. Only the volume to push the price up. The
Yeah.
volume structure.
Yeah. I mean, the 5 minute, yeah, we got to see this 5 minute closure here. So the 1 minute, I think the 1 minute gave a nice, yeah, see, 1 minute gave a nice break and retest. So we should push up here.
Let's hope.
Volume hasn't been in, like, we got the sweep of the lows, so this shit should fly. This shit should fly here, man. Okay, 1 to 1. This would be the second entry here. I'm not gonna fuck around and put our next entry. I'm just gonna go. Oh, this is a beautiful closure. Oh my god. Okay, I need to get my. Actually, I need actually 1 to 2. 1.5 hour would not work. I need 1 to 2. I need 1 to 2 here. Okay, terrible closer here on YM, by the way.
Yeah, he's really cooking YM right now.
Yeah, I need my just trying to get my profitable day here. I need like four some five.
I'll go break even now.
Yeah, I'm at break even here on yeah. Break even on NQ. Um yeah, break even on NQ should be up. I'm up, yeah, I'm up here on this eval account as well too.
it's closed. I'm not sure.
Yeah, bro, you could close this 1.5 hour. I mean, shit. Come on, man. Come on. You could close this shit.
I hear some volume noise.
You could hear it. You could hear.
I can hear it coming in.
Look said he can hear the volume coming in, guys.
I'm tapping
Let's
into a volume.
fucking
I can see
go.
loads of volume coming in right now.
Mm, yeah, okay. That's my profitable day on the two accounts. I'm out here. Oh shit, I didn't close the next.
Order
Okay,
filled.
right. I need, yeah, I need like 2 grand again on eval. Okay, good day. Two profitable accounts. I could request my payout later on. 1 to 2, guys. I hope you got out there. Look, I hope you got out there at 2 hour.
I
There,
feel a bad exit to be fair. I pressed the button as it dropped.
bruh. Well, I mean, at least you're out. You're out. At least you're out. At least you're out. Yeah. Why I may give a sell here, guys? I'm actually may take this on my eval. I'm done the 400 accounts, the two 400 accounts. Let me see if I could get something on this goddamn eval here. I got 500 left on this one, and I got, well, I'm up on this one here. This one I'm up like basically 1,000. So yeah. Before you go, can you show how to mark up the charts if you have time? Bro, you could just check back in the VOD, man. Yeah, just check back in the VOD, man. Check back in the VOD. Everything is there. I do my markups on all my streams. I do a markup before the stream starts. So, yeah, just go back in the VODs, man. All the charts. Everything is there. Everything is there. Okay, this 15-minute closure here, guys. Yeah, we need this 15 closure here. Again, we can continue going up. Remember, we sweep those lows, right? Remember, we sweep those lows here, so we could very much continue bullish here on NQ. Sorry, right? So let's see if we get a closure above these highs, though. That would be lovely. Would be lovely. Yeah, hyper. Yeah, hyper. Yeah, everything is in the VODs, man. I appreciate you coming in.
Oh, it was a good day. Good
Yeah,
Monday.
it was a good Monday, man. I mean, we normally anticipate a little more volume on Mondays. Malik, we normally anticipate a little more volume on
Especially
Mondays.
on NQ.
Huh?
Especially on NQ.
Yeah, especially on NQ. But I think it's still coming in here, though. I think it's still coming here. Cause we're getting a nice closure here, man.
Struggling to break this level
Oh, YM hasn't
with
moved.
speed.
YM hasn't moved as well too, so I'm being mindful of that. Yeah, I'm gonna be executing here on this account. We'll execute here. Let's see if we could get something going here, man. Ooh, YM is ready to play. Okay, yeah, I'll be in here on YM at 5.
Is it going down? You're
Yeah,
bullish on YM, right?
yeah, it's gonna go down. Yeah, I think
I'm
I
really
think
bullish too.
NQ wanna go up as well too. So
Yeah.
I may try to
We'll see
take
some
a,
pushing in.
yeah. Okay, wow. Okay, I'm in on NQ on the Lucid account. Um,
Damn, if only I held that.
nah, don't be like that. Don't do yourself that, bro. 133, 133. Ooh, sell stop. Okay, there's actually not a trade yet on YM.
Stop filled.
Yeah, I lost that trade on NQ. It's unfortunate. It's unfortunate here, unfortunate, but we got a nice closure. So let's see. I'm gonna take one on I'm gonna take this trade here on YM. Break up these lows here. I'm in on YM. I'm not even going for a double break. I'm not even going for a double break. As soon as it breaks. Soon as it breaks. Pending order is there. On Lucid. Yep. Um, Buys on NQ is coming up. Again, eval account guys, like yeah, we're trying to scale this shit up, right?
Confirm.
We
I wanted to lock myself out.
we're trying to scale this shit up. Trying to scale this shit up, man. What they say? They say order rejected.
Time for days.
Yeah,
Server failed.
lock yourself out, guys. Lock yourself out. Lock
So that
yourself
is
out.
clean as I thought it would be.
Yeah, it's not, but oh my god.
Oh my
What the
gosh.
fuck?
Jesus Christ.
Oh
What the
my
hell?
god. Wait, what the fuck was that?
Jesus Christ.
Wait, what the
The volume that I'm talking about.
wait, fucking hell, man.
That's
Yo, this
ridiculous.
shit 5025. I'm still in on the evil account here. What the hell? Man, I should just close everything. God damn it. That was fucked up. That was fucked up. That was fucked up. Oh my god. What the hell was that, man?
Yeah.
That was crazy. Alright, yeah, let me
I
just
entered right at the break.
yeah, same here. Yeah, but price need to get back to my freaking I'm up 1 hour here.
Same
Um
break even.
yeah.
Fuck this. If I lose my big win, I don't care.
Yeah, at this
I'm
point, yeah.
good.
At this point, yeah, makes sense. I mean, I'm up, yeah, I'm still up to, whoa, wow. Wow, okay, okay, yeah. Holy shit. Oh, yeah, I'm out here. I'm out,
Order
I'm out,
failures.
I'm out, I'm out, I'm out here. I had like 4 minutes on that shit.
Four minis.
Yeah, I had like 4 minutes on that shit. Yeah.
Oh my
It
days.
should be up like 3 hour.
Up, yeah, up, basically 3 hour, yeah, 1300 on the eval. Yeah, good stuff, guys.
Nice.
Yeah, this is the eval here. Equity up. So 1300 for the day. Very good on the eval here.
Lovely, lovely.
Yeah, bro. Sauce. I'm on every day. I'm on every day at 9:15 Eastern, New York. That's New York time. I'm on every day. So you can tune in then.
You know what time it is now?
Huh?
Time to go to bed.
Time for the gym.
Oh yeah, gym time, huh? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Fair enough, man. Hey, so we got it's still a winning day. I got my last profitable day on two 50K accounts, so I could withdraw. I'm gonna withdraw like $1,000. Um, and then we got eval. Yeah, 1300 on an eval. Really good. Almost 3 hour day here. We need basically like 1400, 1400 some again. Well, actually not 14. 1600 again for us to pass this account. So yeah, hopefully tomorrow I could I'm gonna live stream the trade of it trading tomorrow I think because these accounts are gonna be pending with payment. So yeah, there is a chance here to take a sell
He looks like he's completely falling in
on
now.
that double break there. No, I'm watching for the double break. I'm actually may take a sell here on this double break. Yeah, actually gonna take a sell on this break here. Just on this account, man. Just to come on, come on, bro. Dude been late on the London sessions, huh? Yeah. Oh, guys, by the way, I don't have much. If you notice, I don't have much equity on this account. So, yeah, I've been going a little too hard on this account. But yeah, if this reach 250, I'm out like account blown. Not blown, but failed challenge. Not really account blown, but failed challenge. It is what it is. But let's see if we could get 1 hour here and
Yeah,
move stops to break even.
stop to break even.
Yeah.
We set it to the
Yeah, guys.
stop up. Stop up.
I mean, yeah, if I get stopped out here, is sometimes these evals and them, bro. Like, it's just when you're chilling. Ah, yeah, that's it. I can't here. That's it. That's it there. That's it there. That's it there. That's it there. Why is it locking me out?
I think they give you like $100, like grace period sort of thing.
Yeah, there we go. Oh, I think you're right. Actually, yeah, I think you're right.
Yeah.
I think you're right. I think you're right. Yeah. Hey, another eval gone, but say what? We're still here, doing good shit. Doing good shit. Doing good shit. Yeah, guys. So this is my last. Let me just show you guys this. Let me just show you guys this before we go. Before we head off. Oh, you failed last night, huh? Ooh, okay. Unfortunately, sus. Unfortunately. Which firm are you trading with? If you don't mind me asking. Yeah, 5K. Ooh. 5K, is that Forex? Top one trader. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay.
Mine's moving.
Yeah. I mean, he ain't done anything there since. Let me just show you guys this thing real quick. Before we go, before we lock out the stream here. We've been live for. I mean, bro, it's not what I recommend. Honestly, is what you. I'm not partner with any of these people, so it's really what you think is best based on your rules, based on how you're trading. Um,
Strategy.
strategy. Yeah, all that depends. You. Because for example, there are a lot of firms I not comfortable trading with. Because of the way I trade. My trades last most of the time like under 1 minute. So it's really what works best for you and your strategy, right? So let me just show you guys this here. So I have this account, right? So this is a 50K account, right? Well, one of the 50K accounts, right? So we up total PNL 2300, all right? I'm going to request $1,000 from this. Um, Next 50K is 2200. I'm going to request there no losing days as well, by the way. Look at the number of trades: one trade, three trades, three trades, two trades, three trades. Keep it simple. Going to request 1,000 from this. And then this account, I didn't trade today because the payout is pending on this one. So yeah, hopefully next from tomorrow we could start back trading this account. Right? So we get our 4 days, and then next week we could request a payout. Hopefully next week again. Even if you have a bad day here this week, we could end up requesting a payout next week, right? Um, yeah. For the most part, I think that's gonna happen for all these accounts. Um, yeah. Next week I should be able to request an next payout from all three accounts. All right. So this is the standings here, guys. This is standings here. All right. So yeah. See you guys tomorrow. And well, evals are not really important in my opinion. Um, but yeah, like evals not really important. But I'm up on this eval here. Um, 1300. Lucid. So I need $1,600 left. All right. So yeah. hopefully I could pass that shit tomorrow. Yeah, guys. So have a good one. Um, my payout takes a while. Hyper. It takes like about because where my location, I'm in the Caribbean, and shit is just slow here by default. So I gotta wait like where transfers take about 5 business days to hit here, right? So sometime next week I'll get the payout I requested Friday. Well, should have requested it last night when the market opened, but because they didn't process anything during the weekend. So yeah, that's my shit here, man. That's my shit here. Takes a little while, but at least I get it. It's not no issue getting it, stuff like that. So yeah, man. So see you tomorrow, man. I'm out. Take care, guys. Stay safe.